What up, Internet? Rob and Corinne here with our favorite YouTube friends, Hellthy Junkfood.
JP, Julia, welcome to the ThreadBanger kitchen.
The new ThreadBanger kitchen. They were at our old ThreadBanger kitchen before, and we made some bacon shot glasses, and I'm pretty sure I won that one.
I rewatched it the other day. It was me.
I don't know.
I thought I won that one.
Yeah, all right.
We'll have to watch it back.
I definitely lost.
Now, if you watch our videos, which I think you might, you'll know that both of our channels have a fondness for grilled cheese. So today, grilled cheese shot glasses. We're taking it to the next level.
You guys seen this before? You heard about this before?
Never.
Nope.
See? That's what I'm talking about. Revolutionary coming out of this channel.
Do you guys have any ideas on what you're gonna do?
I've got some really, really good ideas.
Oh.
But who's to say? Rob, you might win this challenge again.
That's right, because all four of us are gonna make our own shot glasses.
It's every person for themselves.
And you guys have to comment, let us know who makes the best shot glass.
Corinne, top comment.
Julia Gulia.
Run, Rob for the win.
I'm the silent killer.
Let's get started, shall we?
All right, man and woman, your battle stations.
This is the best area ever that could exist, mainly because it has all of the tools here and the espresso machine.
And a watermelon if you need that.
And I've got my little prep station right here. Plenty of lighting, plenty of blow torches, Wonder Bread for the win.
Yeah, this is actually coming over to me.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You see this?
That's why I
Thanks. Wait, what are you doing?
I gotta get
No!
You stole my dough. I have to make dough from scratch now.
That's why you need a prenup.
Yeah, I get at least 50% of her dough.
This really is every person for themselves.
I'm just gonna hang out here. Julia took my ingredients.
JP, if you give me some dough, I'll give you some dough.
Oh, that. I
Burrito.
hope that doesn't make the cut.
So we're just gonna put some flour down on the surface, and because we're gonna be nice, we're only gonna take half of this dough. Do you want this or not?
Yes, please.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 2 pieces out of this 1 piece of dough, and one of them is gonna be smaller than the other on purpose, because it's the one that's going inside of the shot glass. This has to bake going in. See you soon.
What are you doing?
I am flattening this piece of Wonder Bread with a roller and then taking this pizza cutter, cutting the edges off, cutting that crust.
You can't do that on a f***ing cutting board?
It's marble, it doesn't even...
No, it isn't marble.
Doesn't make any marks.
It's quartz.
Oh.
And it does. Look!
All right.
I will murder you if you
Okay.
do that again.
Cutting board
Just so you
coming
know.
up. What do we got here?
The master plan. Wonder Bread is very malleable.
Looks like you're making a regular grilled cheese sandwich over here.
The name of the game is grilled cheese shot glasses. The magic comes in melting real butter.
We got butter spray over there if you want.
Don't mention butter spray to me ever again.
JP, what are you doing?
Am I allowed to tell you?
I don't know.
I am basically taking some dough, adding a little bit of masa flour to it. I got the glass all buttered up, and then I'm putting the dough inside. I'm letting it rise. Once it poofs up and it fills the glass fully, I'm gonna bake it. After which, the next step, you're gonna have to wait for that.
That's looking promising, JP.
He's also not using a cutting board. It wants to die in the kitchen today.
Here she comes.
I don't want it to rip, so you have to kind of like mold it. Got my melted butter. This is art right here, y'all. Hey, get back to your own station.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right.
goodbye.
This is the stuff you want.
It's such a thin sheet.
I know.
I don't get it though.
Neither do I. For some reason, I'm thinking that the butter is gonna make it stick together. Shape it around.
Okay.
Yeah, right? That okay sounds like you're like, this guy kind of knows what he's doing. Right now, everybody's gathering around. Look at that, JP's trying to steal some ideas over here.
No, I'm not.
What are you looking at?
I'm already done.
And that's pretty good.
This is looking like kind of smart.
All right, one more wrap around.
Okay.
Oh, Corinne's getting flames involved. Guys, just so you know, I'm behind the camera doing this, all right? This flame's about to hit me. Woo!
All right, now I'm just gonna cover this with some aluminum foil so it really holds its shape. I'm just gonna pop it in the convection oven for a little bit and booyah.
Ho 56.
That used to be my screen name. I don't have to share the oven. I got my own little peaceful thing happening over here.
But she's also not grilling anything. Convection is not a grilled cheese. Let's see what this is looking like.
Yeah, that looks like a shot glass. I don't know what that, it's like a little mushroom. It looks like it had to be on mushrooms to think that's a shot glass.
Whoa.
I'm gonna just shave off the tip.
Ooh, that's triggering.
It's okay, okay, so this is, okay, this is not, okay. Let's just take this out.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's really big and ugly.
Corinne says it totally fits within specs and guidelines.
Awesome. Everyone goes home with a prize.
Okay, You know what?
What is JP doing over here just hanging out on the couch?
He thinks he's a winner or something.
All right, well, we're taking a look now at mine. Oh, I'm losing the cheese. Oh, son of a bitch.
I don't know if that's grilled either. It definitely looks baked.
Oh, damn, there is a difference.
You are aware of the concept of what grilled
Yeah, I'll
means.
put this in a pan.
I want to grill mine too.
Yeah, we gotta grill it up.
You might have just come up with something amazing.
Yeah, I know.
But Corinne,
It's my goddamn kitchen. What?
It looks good, right?
That looks good.
whoa.
The last step to really guarantee that the liquid will hold in the vessel is to add another slice of cheese in here. Mine looks like a grilled cheese roast.
Yeah, that's a grilled cheese roast. That could be the title of the whole episode if this whole thing goes to shit.
All right, Rob, hurry up. I need that.
Boom. See? Now we're getting a grill on it.
Julia, we're going in that pan together.
No, we're not. There's 2 pieces of bread and a grilled cheese with cheese in the middle. Now, we're doing the same thing.
This doesn't make you nervous at all if I just stand right here while you do it.
Now, this has to get grilled on the outside. And then what you'll have is a grilled cheese shot glass.
Wow, impressive. Let's see if she can pull it off, folks.
JP, I said no.
All right, I mean, it's
Last step.
pretty clear what I'm doing. No explanation really required for this.
I'm gonna do a little cheese rim on mine, as a matter of fact. I think I'm just gonna use this. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, damn. Oh, it's on fire. Turn this thing off.
I like how you keep adding fire to the fire to get rid of the fire.
That looks like the thumbnail right there. You know what I mean? Let's see. Oh yeah, see, god damn it. That there it is. That's the thumbnail. I'll do the Julia thumbnail.
Yeah, it's pretty accurate.
Corinne getting that last fry on, burning the bottom, grilling it up.
Not what I was going for.
Well, it looks great. That'll hold something. JP was on the couch chilling a little while ago. Now he's hard at work. Finally joining the program.
I'm on my last finishing touches.
While JP takes forever, I'm gonna start making some shots. Start filling these things up. Now the obvious choice here, Bloody Marys, right? Tomato soup, grilled cheese. The Czar bar over here is what this is. A little vodka, the zing
Put the ice
zang.
in there first. Rob is not a bartender by any means.
All right. Let's load them up. Well, there they are, everybody. The world's first grilled cheese shot glasses. I think that no matter what, we're all winners.
Isn't that nice of you?
No, one of us is gonna lose real hard, and we're gonna find out right now. All right, starting off with Corinne's. Here we go, holding so far. Oh,
It's leaking out the side there.
oh, okay.
I poured too much in there. Yours is a huge
Yeah, we
shot
got
glass,
Rob's
so-
cauldron.
Yeah, holding.
Julia's holding.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
what?
I think the real winner is Rob for having the biggest shot. No leak action.
Everybody's bottom. Let's see the bottoms.
Bottom's not up.
Wow.
Not yet.
You guys, we did it
Ooh.
to Hellbanger.
Cheers. I like it. Junk thread. No, that
Wow.
isn't. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like. Should I like this, Julia? Is it tasty?
It's vodka.
Yeah?
That's good.
Woo! To friends! Oh, yeah.
Now you gotta just taste the thing.
Yeah, now you get a little bite out of it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh!
This tastes like grilled cheese.
Here, grab a little bit of that. A little bite off the edge. I can't give you this because you're probably underage. You know, in a comparison, I like JP's. I like the shape. Looks pretty nice. I really want to taste JP's
Yeah, it's actually
because
really good.
this is.
Tastes like grilled cheese. It's got a nice crust to it. Yeah.
God damn you, JP. You know, you saw all of them. You can vote down below and let us know whose it is.
We all know it's gonna be JP. It's fine.
But you can vote for like me or Corinne if you just like us
Oh
better.
god.
Right. Oh, wow.
Damn.
By the way, we also did a collab over on these guys' channel, the Healthy Junkfood channel, where we did giant Choco Tacos.
Living our best lives.
Girls against guys. I know, it's a little sexist, but we'll do it.
I wonder who won.
Well, they're gonna have to go out there and find out. It was very close. Nah, it wasn't close at all. We'll see you around here next time.
Good job, everyone. We
Good
did
job,
it.
team.
That's
Team,
a wrap.
team collab. Let's get the hands in the middle.
Oh.
Go junk food stuff thread. Okay.
Jesus, Julia.
Yeah, the party's not over yet. You thought it was over, but no, we're still taking them down. Oh yeah.
Cheers, JP.
Bartender, load them back up. Where you at? Yeah.